One day, a flock of doves found some rice grains scattered beneath a banyan tree. All the doves flew down to the tree and began pecking at the grains. Suddenly, a net fell over them. They were trapped. They saw hunters carrying large bags coming towards them. The doves desperately fluttered their wings, trying to wriggle out of the net, but it was of no use.
The leader of the doves had an idea. It said,
Let us all fly up together. Our united strength will help us carry the net off with us. After all, we are doves.
The doves agreed to do as the leader said. On the count of 3, all the doves spread their wings and rose in the air. Their collective strength helped them to fly away with the net. The hunters looked up in astonishment. They tried to chase the flying doves but could not succeed. Carrying the net, the doves flew to a hill where the leader's friend, a mouse, lived with its family. The mouse and its family used their sharp teeth to bite through the net. Slowly, large holes appeared in the net, and one by one, all the doves were free. The doves thanked the mouse and its family. They then flew away together, united in their strength.